Welcome back to another crochet lesson. Today we're going to be doing front loop only and back loop only. So these are techniques that you'll see in patterns where you want a little bit of stitch definition, or you're doing some shaping for things like baskets where you're working flat and then you want to bring it up. So what I did is I made a chain and I just did a simple 5 single crochets just to make it nice and easy. I've chained one and turned, so now I have the side that I want to work on to my left. So we're going to look at these stitches here. So this is my first stitch right here. So it's got, each stitch is going to have 2 loops at the top. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So if you're going to do FLO, which is front loop only, we're only going to put our hook over or under this part of the loop here. So I'm just going to go under, so we'll do that, and then we'll just work a single crochet like normal. And I'm going to do that all the way down the row. So I have 5, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna chain 1 and turn. So you'll see right here, these are the back loops that I did not work. So they make a nice little stripe here. So you'll see this technique a lot for sometimes for things maybe that need a little detail, like sweater cuffs, or you could, I guess, if you're working this way, for the side of a sweater, it's a good spot to remember to put buttons. But anyway, moving on. So we did front, so now we're going to do back loop only. So instead of going into the front loop only, we're just going to go into the back. So we'll just go into this back loop here, and then we'll single crochet like normal. So we're just going to go into the back, shoop, and single crochet like normal. In the back, shoop. So that's 3, 4, 5. So this is the same side that I was showing you. There's the back loops. So because we flipped the work, these are now the front loops that we didn't work. So now we have 2 nice little stripes on this side and then no stripes on the other side. So again, it's a nice little technique to do for like detail work. And again, if you're working like something flat and you do one of these, it'll start to make your work stand up. See how you can make it stand up? So this is good if you're working a circular thing like a basket and then you work back loop only for 1 round. It'll make it start to go up the side instead of keep going around flat. So that's what I mostly use it for. But I'm sure you'll find lots of other patterns that use it for different things. And that is how you work in the front loop only and the back loop only. See you for another lesson soon.